Let's be real for a second. The pimple itself isn't even the worst part. It's the stubborn dark mark, or worse, the little pit it leaves behind that sits on your face for months, making you feel completely insecure. And the biggest mistake 90% of people make is spending crazy amounts of money on harsh chemical creams that actually make their skin thinner and worse. But science tells us a completely different story. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step blueprint to start naturally fading those acne marks in just 1 week, and you can literally do this for $0. No expensive products, no BS. But listen closely. Make sure you do not miss step 4. Seriously, because if you're making this one super common daily mistake, you are literally locking those dark spots into your skin permanently, and nothing else in this video will work. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Step 1. The ground zero rule. Before we start erasing the marks, we need to talk about the science of what a dark spot actually is. Whenever you get a pimple, your skin treats it like an injury. And to protect that injured area, your skin cells release a massive amount of a dark pigment called melanin. In the science world, this is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH. Even after the pimple heals, that melanin gets trapped in the top layer of your skin. But here is the absolute golden rule of fading dark spots. You cannot fix the dark spots if you are still getting active acne. By the time your old dark spots fade, you'll have 3 new ones from fresh breakouts, and you'll be stuck in a never-ending loop. So before you stress about the marks, focus on getting your active breakouts under control. Keep your face clean, don't overwash, and let your skin breathe. Once the new breakouts stop, fixing the old marks is actually incredibly easy. Step 2. The $0 pigment eraser. You've probably seen a million TikToks telling you to rub lemon or potato on your face. Please don't do that. Instead, we are going to use a massive K-beauty secret that you can make in your kitchen for free right now. Fermented rice water. Here's how you make it. It's super simple. Take half a cup of regular uncooked rice, wash it once to get the dirt off, and then let it soak in a glass of water at room temperature for 24 hours. When you come back the next day, that water has fermented. Science shows that fermented rice water is packed with ferulic acid and allantoin, 2 powerhouse compounds that actively slow down the production of melanin in your skin. Here is exactly how you use it. Take 2 tablespoons of that rice water and add just a tiny, microscopic pinch of turmeric powder, which is a natural antibacterial. At night, after washing your face, use it only onto your dark spots. Do not rub this all over your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Within just a week, you're going to notice those stubborn, angry dark spots turning into a much lighter, faded brown shade. Quick disclaimer, everyone's skin is different. Always do a patch test on your jawline or hand first to make sure you aren't allergic. Step 3. The texture fix. Okay, so the color of the spots is fading. But what about the guys who popped and picked at their pimples and are now left with those little pits or indented scars? Look, fading a dark spot and fixing a pitted scar are 2 completely different games. A pit means the collagen tissue underneath your skin was actually damaged. If any $5 cream claims it's going to fill your acne scars in 2 days, they are lying to your face. To fix texture, you need to stimulate blood flow and collagen. Here's a $0 at-home remedy for that. The Honey Coffee Resurfacer. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground coffee with 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Caffeine and antioxidants in the coffee heavily increase blood circulation, while honey is a natural humectant that speeds up skin healing. Apply this just to the pitted areas and massage it in tiny circles using 0 pressure, just barely touching your skin, for about 2 minutes. Leave it for 5 minutes, then wash it off. Over time, this helps firm the skin and makes those pits look way less noticeable. Step 4. The invisible shield. This is the step I warned you about at the beginning of the video. If you skip this, you are wasting your time. Remember how I said dark spots are made of melanin? Do you know what triggers your body to produce more melanin? The sun. When your skin gets injured from a pimple, that area becomes hypersensitive to UV rays. If you go outside, drive in your car, or walk around campus without sun protection, the UV radiation literally bakes that melanin into your skin, making the dark spot darker and incredibly stubborn. If you want to fade dark spots for free, you have to limit your sun exposure. Wear a hat, stay in the shade, or if you have a few bucks to spare, invest in a good daily sunscreen with at least SPF 50. Also, stop touching your face. Every time you pick a pimple, you create more trauma, which equals more melanin, which equals a permanent dark mark. Hands off. Bonus tip. If you don't want to do the DIY route and you have about $10 to spend, you can pick up a 10% niacinamide serum or a gentle glycolic acid face wash from the drugstore. Both of these are scientifically proven to increase cell turnover and fade dark spots fast. But look, let me just tell you this like a friend. Dark spots are temporary. They do not define who you are, they don't hide your personality, and they definitely shouldn't destroy your confidence. You are perfectly fine exactly as you are. This is just to help you feel a little more comfortable in your own skin. If you got value out of this video, hit that subscribe button to join the community, and let me know in the comments what skin struggle you want me to cover next. Catch you guys in the next one.